Hello everyone, welcome back from the Labor Day holiday. It's Ines for your Kumic Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, after a big increase, China's steel prices fell back to where they were before the holiday. Let's take a closer look. In recent days, overall market sentiment has become slightly positive. The US dollar has been on the weaker side, and there's been some positive progress from the trade negotiations between China and the US. These factors helped the Chinese yuan strengthen notably at the start of May, with the offshore rate climbing from around 7.3 at the end of April to roughly 7.2 today. On top of that, the People's Bank of China took the initiative to support the economy by cutting key interest rates by 10 basis points and lowering the reserve ratio by 50 basis points. This shift in monetary policy signals a clear intention to stimulate the economy. But even with this macro support, the general performance within the steel sector remains under pressure. Supply is running high in terms of molten iron production, while the peak season for consumption is passing. With rising pressure from tariffs and anti-dumping measures are making it harder for export. So even with the better macro sentiment, there is not a lot of room for steel prices to keep rising. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's apparent steel demand reduced by 1.2 million tons, while total inventory went up by nearly 300,000 tons. Rebar took the biggest hit in both demand and output, while production for hot-rolled coil kept climbing a bit. It's actually still higher than usual for this time of year, with some space to grow even more. So, where do we go from here? With the macro outlook mostly priced in, the market's focus is shifting back to supply and demand. And honestly, most market players are expecting things to slow down. As we move into May, orders from automotive and home appliance sectors tend to ease off. And those trade tensions? They're likely to become more clear when it comes to the impact on export. Looking ahead, we tend to remain more cautious. We expect steel prices to stay soft and show modest fluctuations. Let's keep an eye on how those China-US talks progress and news on China's crude steel production cuts. That's where the next moves could come from. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe button and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.